Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. This video will explain the functions found under the Utilities menu of the Song Meter SM4BAT FS Bioacoustics recorder. On the front panel of the SM4BAT, scroll down the main menu to the Utilities section. Press the Enter button. The first menu option is Time Expansion Mode. Press the right arrow button to display the time expansion parameters. The SM4BAT can slow down an ultrasonic signal so it can be played back at a lower frequency that is audible to the human ear. This is done by recording a signal into a buffer inside the recorder and then slowing the audio down for playback. The expansion factor parameter allows you to select whether the recording is slowed down by a factor of 10 or 20 times. The buffer time sets the record playback buffer size. This is adjustable from 50 to 5,000 milliseconds. Connect a pair of headphones to the headphone jack on the SM4BAT. Scroll to Start Monitoring and press the Enter button. The front panel LED blinks red and the display shows the recorder is armed. When the ultrasonic microphone detects a signal that passes the trigger settings, the SM4BAT records the signal into the internal buffer. When the buffer is full or the specified maximum trigger duration is met, the SM4 slows the recording down and plays it back in a cycle. Adjust the headphone volume with the up and down buttons. The SM4BAT does not record to the SD memory card when it is doing time-expanded monitoring. The purpose of time-expanded monitoring is to check the microphone and recorder to make sure it is picking up any ultrasonic signals that meet the trigger settings. The next option under Utilities is Export Diagnostics. Press the right arrow button to enter the diagnostic mode. The SM4BAT displays a message that it is running tests. When the diagnostic tests have been completed, a message is displayed that the SM4BAT is exporting a dump file. The dump file is written to the memory card in slot A of the recorder. This file can be opened with the SM4 configurator software, which will display the currently loaded settings and configuration. The dump file also contains diagnostic information regarding the performance and function of the song meter. The dump file will also be created automatically if the song meter loses power while running or if there is some other fault. The dump file can be sent to Wildlife Acoustics for a full evaluation of the song meter. The next item under the Utilities menu is Set Factory Default. Press the right arrow button and a message will be displayed asking to confirm the default reset. If Yes is selected, the SM4BAT will be restored to original factory default settings. This will erase any programmed schedules as well as the location settings of the recorder. The next item under the Utilities menu is Calibrate Mic. The display shows a real-time output from the connected microphone. Specifically, the display shows the microphone level at 40 kHz frequency. I'll place the U2 microphone onto an ultrasonic calibrator. The calibrator emits a 40 kHz tone. I can't hear this signal, but you can see the U2 microphone is picking it up with no problems. Now we have confirmed that the U2 microphone is connected and working properly. Next under the Utilities menu is Format All Cards. When I select this option, the SM4BAT displays a prompt asking me to confirm. If I choose Yes and then press Enter, the SM4BAT will initialize any SD memory cards inserted into slots A and B on the song meter. The SM4BAT will never record over any data on the memory card, so this is a good way to make sure the memory card is completely empty. In some cases, the memory card can become corrupted, and if this happens, reformatting the card may restore the card to proper function. The last item under the Utilities menu is Firmware Update. Occasionally, Wildlife Acoustics releases firmware updates that provide additional features and improvements for the song meter recorder. The firmware update is a file that is downloaded from the Wildlife Acoustics website. The firmware update file is copied to an SD memory card, and the card is inserted into slot A of the recorder. When I select the firmware update option, the SM4BAT looks on the memory card for the firmware update file. I can then confirm, and the update is installed. As you can see, the Song Meter SM4BAT FS Bioacoustics recorder is powerful and well thought out. The Utilities menu completes the programming functions available from the front panel.